Let's face it, we've all been there. Standing in front of the mirror, scrutinizing every strand, every lock, and every imperfection. It's a universal experience, one that transcends culture and background. We all want our hair to reflect our inner vibrancy, our unique personality, and our zest for life. Staring in the mirror, wishing for a hair miracle. We dream of that perfect hair day, where every strand falls into place, and our hair looks as lively and dynamic as we feel inside. But often reality falls short, leaving us with dull, lifeless locks that don't do justice to our true selves. Something to banish the brassiness, to add vibrancy, to make us feel, well, electrifying. Imagine a product that not only promises but delivers, a solution that transforms your hair from drab to fab, from ordinary to extraordinary, a product that understands your hair's needs and meets them with precision and care. Enter Purple Lightning Balm, the hair treatment that's about to change your life, or at least your hair game. This isn't just another product on the shelf, it's a revolution in a jar. Formulated with cutting-edge technology and enriched with nourishing ingredients, Purple Lightning Balm is designed to tackle the toughest hair challenges. This isn't just another product promising the world, it's a game changer, a hair savior, a beacon of hope for anyone who's ever felt let down by their hair care routine. With Purple Lightning Balm, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in a promise of transformation. This is about real results, visible transformations, and the confidence that comes with loving your look. Intrigued? You should be. Imagine stepping out with hair that not only looks amazing, but feels amazing too. Hair that's soft, shiny, and full of life. Hair that turns heads and makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Get ready to say goodbye to dull, lifeless hair, and hello to a world of vibrant possibilities. With Purple Lightning Balm, every day can be a great hair day. It's time to embrace the power of vibrant, healthy hair and let your true colors shine through. Purple Lightning Balm is here, and it's about to rock your world. Say goodbye to bad hair days, and hello to a new era of hair care. An era where your hair reflects your inner beauty and strength, where every strand tells a story of vitality and confidence. Ready to unleash your inner hair goddess? Let's go! It's time to take control of your hair destiny and embrace the vibrant, electrifying future that awaits. With Purple Lightning Balm, the possibilities are endless, and the results are nothing short of spectacular. Purple Lightning Balm is a color-depositing hair treatment designed to neutralize brassy tones and enhance shine. This innovative product is a game-changer for anyone looking to maintain their hair color between salon visits. Whether you have blonde, silver, or brunette hair, this balm works wonders in keeping your hair looking fresh and vibrant. It's packed with nourishing ingredients to condition and soften your hair, such as argan oil, keratin, and vitamin E. These ingredients not only help in maintaining the color, but also provide deep hydration and repair to your hair strands, leaving it feeling silky smooth. Imagine running your fingers through your hair and feeling that luxurious softness every single day. It's like giving your hair a spa treatment at home. The magic lies in its unique purple pigment, which counteracts yellow and orange hues, the culprits behind that dreaded brassiness. This pigment works by neutralizing the unwanted warm tones, leaving your hair with a cooler, more balanced color. But here's the best part. Purple Lightning Balm is incredibly versatile. You can use it as a regular conditioner, a leave-in treatment, or even a deep conditioning mask. The choice is yours, depending on how much time you have and what your hair needs. Whether you're a blonde bombshell battling brassiness, this balm will help you maintain that perfect platinum or golden hue without any unwanted yellow tones. Or someone embracing the grey, it will keep your silver locks looking shiny and sophisticated, free from any dullness or discoloration. Or a brunette babe craving a hint of cool-toned dimension, Purple Lightning Balm will add that subtle cool-toned depth to your hair, making it look richer and more vibrant. This balm is your new best friend. It's not just about color, it's about overall hair health and appearance. You'll notice a significant improvement in the texture and manageability of your hair. It's like a filter for your hair, instantly making it look brighter, healthier, and more vibrant. The results are so impressive that you'll feel like you've just stepped out of a high-end salon. And the best part, it's super easy to use. Just apply it to your hair, leave it on for a few minutes, and rinse it out. More on that later. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to what real users have to say about their experiences with Purple Lightning Balm. Purple Lightning Balm has taken the hair world by storm, becoming a favorite among both professionals and everyday users. With countless people raving about its transformative effects, it's no wonder this product has become a staple in so many hair care routines. Take Sarah, a busy mom of two who thought she'd said goodbye to vibrant blonde hair. She was struggling to find time for herself, let alone her hair. After trying Purple Lightning Balm, she exclaimed, "My hair went from dull and brassy to bright and shiny practically overnight. It's like I have a new head of hair." Sarah couldn't believe the difference. She felt more confident and ready to take on her busy days with a smile. These are just a few of the many success stories we've heard. People from all walks of life are experiencing the magic of Purple Lightning Balm. Purple Lightning Balm is more than just a product, it's a revolution in hair care. It's designed to bring out the best in your hair, no matter your hair type or color. It's a confidence booster, a time saver, and a must-have for anyone who wants to love their hair again. Try it for yourself and join the countless others who have discovered the secret to beautiful, vibrant hair. Section 4. Purple Power Unleashing Your Inner Siren. Ready to unlock the secret to next-level hair? Purple Lightning Balm isn't just about banishing brassiness. It's about embracing your hair's full potential. Imagine stepping out of the shower, hair gleaming with a healthy shine. Catching your reflection and doing a double take because your hair looks good. Receiving compliments from strangers on your vibrant, healthy-looking locks. This is the power of Purple Lightning Balm. It's about feeling confident, radiant, and ready to take on the world. It's about loving your hair, every single strand. So go ahead, embrace the purple power. Your hair will thank you for it. Section 5. Tips and tricks from a balm believer. Ready to experience the magic of Purple Lightning Balm for yourself? Here are a few tips and tricks to maximize your results. Start with clean, damp hair. Apply a generous amount of balm, focusing on areas prone to brassiness. Leave in for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on desired intensity. Rinse thoroughly and style as usual. For a more intense treatment, leave the balm on for up to 20 minutes. You can also use it as a weekly treatment or incorporate it into your regular hair care routine. Remember, consistency is key. Regular use will help maintain your hair's vibrancy and keep brassiness at bay. Section 6. Beyond the buzz, more than just a pretty color. Purple Lightning Balm isn't just a passing fad or a one-trick pony. It's a hair care essential that delivers real results and addresses common hair concerns. Beyond its color-correcting prowess, the balm is packed with nourishing ingredients that condition, soften, and detangle your hair. It's free of harsh chemicals and sulfates, making it gentle enough for even the most sensitive scalps. This isn't just about masking imperfections. It's about enhancing your natural beauty and giving your hair the love it deserves. Section 7. Ready for your hair's transformation? So there you have it. Purple Lightning Balm is more than just a hair treatment. It's a confidence booster, a time saver, and a must-have for anyone who wants to achieve truly stunning hair. Are you ready to unlock your hair's full potential? Try Purple Lightning Balm today and experience the transformation for yourself. Trust me, your hair will thank you for it.